Good morning, students. This is class 6 science lesson 9, the living organism and their surrounding. Students, I am sending you PDF of this chapter. Okay, so here is the question answer of this chapter. I am reading. What is a habitat? The word habitat means the living place of an organism. What are marine habitats? It refers to saltwater habitat in seas and oceans. Question number 3. What are hydrophytes? Plants that grow in water are known as hydrophytes. Question number 4. What does habitat provide an organism with? The habitat provides an organism with food, shelter and climatic condition best suited for it to survive, breed and flourish. Write the biotic and abiotic component of the environment. Answer is abiotic component. Abiotic component. Abiotic component are the physical or non-living component like rainfall, temperature, wind, humidity, soil, water, sunlight and air. And biotic component, the living beings in a habitat that are the plant, animal and the microorganism make up its biotic component. What is the difference between the aquatic and terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial habitat. These consist of habitat of all organisms which live on land. Aquatic habitat. The aquatic habitat comprise of all the water bodies on the planet. Next question is, why are the leaves of the cactus plant reduced to spine? Answer is, the leaves of the cactus plant are reduced to spine to prevent the maximum loss of water which take place through the leaves. Now come on to next exercise, that is answer the following question in detail. Question number 1. Describe the variety of plant life on the mountains. Answer is, in mountain region, especially in snow-capped Himalayas, it is normally cold and windy. The trees in this region are so that the snow slides off easily. Okay, it is normally cold and windy. The trees in this region are cone shaped so that the snow slides off easily. Example, cheer, pine and deodar. Next question is, what is adaptation? Explain with the help of two examples. The act of changing your behavior to make it suitable for a new situation is called adaptation. Example, a fish is adapted to live in water, a monkey is adapted to live on tree, and a camel in the desert due to presence of some unique feature that help them to survive in that habitat only. Next question is, name 5 major terrestrial habitat on our planet. Explain them. 5 major terrestrial habitat are desert habitat, grassland habitat, rainforest habitat, tundra habitat, mountain habitat. Desert habitat. It is generally hot and dry in daytime. Temperature can reach up to 45 degrees centigrade. Rainfall is less than 10 inches. Okay. Example of desert habitat are cactus, camel, rattlesnake, gila, monster and kangaroo rat are found in desert. Next is grassland habitat. It remains hot during day and cold during night. Mainly grasses are found in this habitat. Example, lion, elephant and zebra. Third is rainforest habitat. This region is warm and very wet. Example, tall trees such as mangrove, monkey, snake and lizard are found in rainforest habitat. Next is tundra habitat. It is very cold and always covered with snow. Example, polar bear, reindeer, penguin and some grasses are found. Mountain habitat. Generally cold and windy. Example, mountain goat, yak, sheep and pines are found in this habitat. Question number 4. Describe the adaptive feature of hydrophytes. Plant living in water are called aquatic plant. Aquatic plant are also known as hydrophytes. ठीक है, aquatic plant को ही hydrophytes भी कहते हैं. Adaptation feature of hydrophytes. Some partly submerged plants have waxy upper surface which makes them waterproof. For example, water lily and lotus. Their stem is long and narrow to withstand water current. They have air space which enable them to float. Next is, how is a camel suited to live in hot desert? Camels are adapted to live in hot and dry desert because the hump of camels have stored fat which serves as a food store. This enables the camel to survive for many days without any food and water. Next question is, how do plants adapt themselves to live in rainforest? Adaptive feature of rainforest plant. They have special supporting root like stilt root which grow downward into the soil. Some plants have climbed high onto nearly tree to reach the sunlight. The leaves have special tips called drip tips to drip off water. How do animals adapt themselves to live grassland? Adaptation feature of grassland animal. They have strong teeth of eating tough grasses. They have long legs and sharp hooves to run swiftly. The body color of lion get camouflaged with surroundings. Their eyes are modified to see even in very low light. Next question is, write a short note on coastal habitat. Coastal habitat are the region where the sea meets land. Some organisms that are found in this type of habitat are crab, oysters, seaweeds and mangroves. Okay student, so this chapter is also over. Write down the question answer in your science copy and have a look at the chapter and prepare it for your unit 3 exam. Okay, thank you.